every time you turn one of the Shelbys off the line or one of the Mustangs off the line, you're building the iconic sports car that everywhere in the world, people not only buy them, but they hang on to them. And many people will hang on to them for the rest of their lives. So every bit of work you do becomes part of people's lives, and that's a very cool thing. You know, I introduced the Mustang in Europe and in the Middle East, and it was amazing, the reception. These people had never seen Mustangs in person before, but they all knew Mustang, and you don't have to say Ford Mustang, you just say Mustang. And everybody in the world knows what it is, and everybody loves it. It's the greatest sports car in the world, and you guys make it, so thank you.
Well, today it is my great privilege to help celebrate job one of this icon that we all know and love. The new GT350 is a special car that takes Ford performance to a whole new level. And the GT350R is the most track-capable, street-legal Mustang we've ever built.